How to use the Google Drive templates for documents and spreadsheets. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you want to use Google Drive's templates for documents and spreadsheets, it provides you a list of various options. So, in order to access the template, it's quite simple. First and foremost, open your Google Drive and log in into your account. Once that is done, tap on the new or the plus icon on the top left and go to Google Docs. From there, click on the arrow and click on Form a Template. You can do it for the Google Docs and then select the template that you want to use. One of the most popular Google Docs template is for the resume or the project proposal. Tap on the one that you want to use and you can edit it as well. Now, to do the same for the Google Drive spreadsheets, you can go back to the Google Drive again. Then after follow the same process and then you can use the templates of spreadsheets as well. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.